In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify desktop this content is not available. If you're trying to play a song on Spotify desktop and you keep seeing the message that the content is not available, don't worry. This usually happens because the track has been removed, your account region doesn't match your location, or the desktop app has a cache or update issue. I'll walk you through the most effective fixes in a simple step-by-step way. First, open Spotify on your desktop and search for the song again manually. This is important because sometimes the version saved in your playlist is no longer active, but another version is still available. If the song appears grayed out or is completely missing, that usually means it has been removed from Spotify or is not available in your country or region. Next, log out and log back in to refresh your account session. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Log Out. After that, close Spotify completely, reopen it, and sign back in. This can help if the app is stuck showing outdated availability data. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off completely. Spotify checks your location and region, and a VPN can sometimes make content unavailable by making it look like you're in a different country. Once it's turned off, restart Spotify and try playing the song again. After that, check your region settings on your Spotify account page. Sign in, look for your country or region setting, and make sure it matches your current location. If your account region is different from where you actually are, some tracks may not be playable on desktop. If you're on Windows, the next fix is clearing the Spotify cache. Press Windows and R on your keyboard, type %appdata%, and press Enter. Open the Spotify folder, find the cache folder, and delete it, then restart Spotify. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary files that may be causing playback issues. You should also make sure Spotify is fully updated. In the desktop app, click Profile, then Help, then About Spotify. Wait a moment to see if an update starts installing, then restart the app afterward. Running the latest version can fix bugs that affect song availability. If nothing has worked so far, reinstall Spotify as a last fix. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Spotify, and uninstall it. After that, download the latest version again from the official Spotify download page, install it, and log back in. If a song still won't play after all of this, it's likely blocked or removed in your region. If a playlist has lots of unavailable songs, it may include international releases or deleted tracks, and if it works on your phone but not on desktop, that usually points to a desktop cache issue or an app bug.